I'm not even holding on.
Marco, you're gonna... Now you're fucking crazy, you bastard!
Come on now. Ready, ready? What, not like running off? Is it real?
Yeah! That would be fucking nice!
I will. Look, I'm not gonna. Look, I'll hold you down. You're not gonna fall out. Look, push your
No,
feet.
I'm already going. I'm already going. Leave me alone. She's not even. Oh, I got crap in my leg.
Push your body against the seat.
No, I'm doing that right now. That's why I'm pressed in my leg. Oh man, I'm like nauseous now.
How does this ride make everybody nauseous? Boats don't really move like this. No. Okay, don't let me drop it. I wasn't even holding on. They're stopping right now. I have to record it to show Nana anyway.